Snow in Palmer, Alaska. Times I've taken pictures of this. Oh, there you go. You wait till you got about 3 foot of snow here, then it ain't so clever. So that way a bit. Nice, isn't it? And that tells us what it is. No, it doesn't. It tells us. Doesn't tell us a damn thing, does it? Actually, not really. Oh well. Do 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 do. Oh, I thought that plaque was going to tell us a bit about the train, but no. I'll take some nice shots from here in the summertime, because over there that you can't see is the mountain range. Looks pretty cool. There we go. Palmer Depot. Oop. And that one that says Palmer Arts Council, that's where our store was. And there's my little Subi there. A 3, a 2, a 1 and stop, hopefully.